Alright, good afternoon. This is part 4 of balancing chemical equations. I have my daughter, Jenny, helping me. It's funny, she was waving, but she's behind the camera. Yeah, my kids for you. So anyways, Jenny's going to be recording for us today, and we are going to cover 2 more problems from our homework tonight, numbers 11 through 15. So first, I'm going to start off with a tip. We've been talking about methods and so forth, but I saw this tip actually on another YouTube video, and it says leave the H's alone and leave the O's alone at first. Do any of the other letters besides those 2. And so I'm just going to try it. Maybe it works better than other methods, I don't know. But I'm going to try it on this problem that we have right here before us. So in this problem we have Fe2, which is iron. So 2 iron molecules, O3, plus blank H2, 2 hydrogen molecules. Chemical reaction occurs, creates 1 iron and water, H2O. And so I'm going to leave the O alone, I'm going to leave the H alone, and I'm just going to start with the iron molecules. Now, right here we have 2 iron molecules on my reactant side. On my product side, I only have 1 iron molecule. So what do I need to multiply that 1 by to get 2? There you go, 2. So I'm going to put 2 iron molecules. And now those 2 are equal. There's no other letters left besides H and O now, so I'm just going to go right down the line. I'm going to start with my O's this time. Now here I have 3 oxygen molecules. On my other side I have 1 oxygen molecule. So what can I multiply that 1 oxygen molecule by to get 3? 3. Good. So I'm going to put the 3 up there. So now I have 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. Those are balanced. So then all that's left is the hydrogen. Here I have 2 hydrogen. On my product side I have 6 hydrogen. So what I multiply by my 2 hydrogen by to get 6? 3. My daughter just pointed out 4.
Whatever. I was like that.
3. So
you just can't read fingers.
So there we go. So now we've got this molecule. Now we could say it's balanced, but just to be safe, we'll always double check our answer. 2 iron, 2 iron, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen, 6 hydrogen, and 6 hydrogen. So this chemical equation is balanced. So let's take a look at another one. That seemed a little too easy. Let's move on to another one.
I'm surprised you didn't make it too hard.
Let's do ones with lots of big numbers on it. Let's see, we're going to say blank C7 H16 plus blank O2 reaction blank CO2 or carbon dioxide plus blank water.
I'm surprised you guys aren't falling asleep during this. You must be a really boring teacher.
She's going to get beat afterwards, just so you know. Alright, so let's start with our carbon. Once again, we're going to use the same method. We're going to leave alone the H's, we're going to leave alone the O's right now until we get everything else settled, which in this case is pretty easy because it's the first letter anyways. So we have 7 carbon molecules on our reactant side. Let's go over to our product side. We've only got 1 on our product side. So what do we need to multiply that 1 carbon by in order to get 7? 7. So we multiply by the 7. And remember that 7 is going to multiply not only that carbon, but it's also going to multiply that oxygen later on. That's important to remember. Let's look at our hydrogen. We have 16 hydrogen on our reactant side. On our product side, we've only got 2. So what do we multiply 2 by to get 16? 8. Good. So we multiply by the 8. Now remember that 8 is going to multiply the hydrogen and also the oxygen. So now we go on to our oxygen. We have 2 oxygen on our reactant side. We look over on our product side. We've got 14 oxygen right here. There's 14 right there. And then on the other side we have 8. On the other side, on the other compound. So the 14 plus 8 gives us a total of 22 oxygen on the product side. So what do we multiply this 2 by in order to get 22? 11. Good. Now we could say that we're done, but just always, always, always double check your answer. 7 carbon, 7 carbon, 16 hydrogen, 16 hydrogen, 22 oxygen, and then the 14 plus 8 gives us a 22 oxygen on the product side. This equation is balanced. Alright, you can see those were pretty simple. Hopefully after practicing this each day, this is going to get simpler and simpler, and eventually you'll be able to do them that quick. I guess for now, peace out.
He's a loser, by the way.